Hey, I'm Siraj with the Peace Hands, and I'm really excited because I just got some cryptocurrency wallets from SecuX, and we're going to do an unboxing video of the V20 and W10. Alright, so I should just say first, the first package that came to me, I was super disappointed with because although it came a day early, it only had the W10 wallet inside of it, and so that was it was a bundle. So I was expecting the V20 and W10, but it only came with the W10. So I was upset about that. And then when I tried out the W10 to see if it worked, how it worked and stuff, it didn't work. So hopefully this will be a much more pleasurable experience. So let's see what's inside. All right, it looks much better already than what I got before. You can see it's nicely packaged. The thing I got before wasn't even packaged. It looked like it could have been a return. All right, so you can see we got the Stone V20 and then the Stone W10. And they're both wrapped, and so this is much better from the first package I got. I'm not sure what happened with that first package. So let's go for the W10 first. I guess we'll put the teaser in first. Alright, plastic wrapped. The other one wasn't. This is much better. It's got stickers. That's supposed to make show it secure. I can open it. Pretty okay. I should use some scissors or something. Tamper-proof stickers. What's up? All right. It's even got a sticker there. Definitely wasn't open before these stickers were on here. Okay, looks really nice. There's no fingerprints like the last one. All right, take it out. It's got a teeny bit of weight to it. It's pretty light though, and it looks really good. No complaints on this end. It's got the tape, security tape. So, I guess I'll take that off. It's kind of interesting to take off. Security tape. There we go. Alright, I feel pretty confident that that wasn't tampered with. And then comes with the baggie, USB, a getting started guide, recovery sheet. Okay, so this is exactly what I wanted when I first ordered it. I think they must have sent me a return because this is exactly what I wanted, and this looks really good. So yes for this. Let's check this one. This one looks nice. It looks like a kind of like a big coin. Go with the teeth. Didn't sanitize it, but I'll get tested soon. Alright. Alright, cool. So this looks good. Box out of the wrapper. Looks untampered with. Let's get this security tape off. There we go. All right. And ooh, there we go. Look at that, sexy. No fingerprints. It came in clean. Someone handled this with care, putting it in there. So that's nice. And it's got some more weight to it. So this one like feels a little more like a substantial. Cool. Let's put that there for now, and then see what else is in here. This packaging, nice packaging. It's got recovery sheets and the getting started guide. So this is really good, much better as I expected. And all right, so we got the two wallets. Let's see if this if they turn on. So let's see. This one. No, this one may need to be just plugged in straight away, and then this one. Yes, this one's turning on. All right, so that's the getting started. Get started. Boom. So I'm gonna set my pin, 4 to 8 digits long. So this I'm gonna keep secret. So this isn't gonna be part of the recording. So now it's asking me to set up a new wallet. So yes, I'm gonna. Oh, so this is if you want to use your own recovery words or restore or import an existing wallet. So I think I'm just going to make a new wallet and generate a set of recovery words. So yes. Next, we will display 24 recovery words of your secure. Write these down on the recovery sheets and keep them in a safe place. Don't lose or share them. So it says there's no account available. Please access SecuX wallet from your host to create or restore accounts. So use Chrome to visit or scan the QR code. Connect the device, plug in USB cable, or turn on Bluetooth from settings. All right, let's plug in the computer. All right, well, it's been a couple weeks and I finally got all the coins on the wallet. It actually only took a few days to figure out how to get all the coins, but I ended up going down a lot of rabbit holes because there's a lot to cryptocurrency, and yeah, maybe I can share a little bit of what I learned along the way. So I ended up going with Coinbase to get the Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, Ethereum, and Stellar all onto the wallet. Then I ended up going with Changely, which is a website I found that you send an address Bitcoin and it'll send an address you tell it to whatever currency you want. So it it seemed like it worked really well. I looked on other things and it looked like Changely was kind of not super trusted. So I'm not sure if I would recommend going through it, but I guess it is kind of expensive when you do the transfer. There's like a small fee and stuff like that. But I just kind of wanted to get all the coins in the wallet so bad that I just went for it. So I did Dogecoin, Grosselcoin, Digibyte, and Ripple with that one, Changely. And then Daps coin, well, okay, so there was Binance as well that I had trouble getting. And I ended up going through Trust Wallet. I downloaded a cryptocurrency wallet just so I could get Binance. And and then there was Daps coin. So Daps coin is probably the least well known of all the coins on this wallet. And it's kind of interesting. I mean, it sounds like the lady who made it is running it at least is from South Africa, and it seems to be some sort of community based coin thing, but it's interesting. It's not something I would recommend investing into like as a serious thing. It's more of just a for fun kind of experiment, see what's going on. And it's the only coin I have like more than 1 million of, so that's kind of cool. Um, so yeah, and I ended up getting dApps coin on Hotbit. So turns out Hotbit actually has pretty much all the other coins. So I could have used Hotbit for everything, but I only realized that, after I got dApps coin, which was the hardest one for me to figure out how to get and download the wallet. I downloaded their wallet so I could try being a node out, but that didn't end up working out. I'm not sure what was going on with that. It would never let me. It would always it would never load for me. It would always take me to the login, and once I put the password in, it would just load and say, oh, it's okay that it's not responding. That's how it's supposed to be. But then it never got anywhere. So that was a little disappointing. So yeah, that's a little bit on the dApps coin. But overall, it's been pretty straightforward. I never got any ERC20 tokens yet, but there is a way to do that. And you could see in the wallet, it has all the different coins you have. And so it has Crow, Uniswap. This is for the crypto coin or something. Uniswap, Comp, Maker, Compound coin. That's Comp. And then yeah, it has more coins: Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, dApps coin. I basically have 2 million dApps coin, so that's kind of cool. Binance. And one thing I realized trying to get all these coins was there's sort of different ecosystems that um, kind of uh, that the coins live in. So Bitcoin is like the OG, like its kind of own thing, and then Ethereum is like the big coin that you can build a lot of other tokens off of, and there's a large Ethereum ecosystem. It's probably one of the bigger ones, but then there seems to be a Binance ecosystem. I guess it has more to do with exchanges. So there's a Binance exchange, and Hotbit is its own exchange. Uh, Crypto.com is its own exchange. So, and the exchanges have their own coins too. And so that's something you can get as well. And I think those coins just help you trade within that exchange. But it also has its own value, and that value uh, can go up too. So another thing I noted was how long and how expensive it was to transfer a lot of the coins. The Bitcoin and Ethereum were by far the most expensive coins to actually transfer between wallets. All the other coins seem to have much lower, more insignificant transfer fees, and I think that's probably because of the network usage. It's probably since Bitcoin and Ethereum have been going up a lot. Well, yeah, it's been very volatile recently, so there's a lot of traffic, and so it probably makes the costs a little higher. So you can look up the gas fees for Ethereum and basically just see if you're going to be paying more or not so much for the fees. So when I transferred it into my wallet, I found that Ethereum and Bitcoin were the most expensive, and they did take longer to physically transfer for the transfer to go through and be confirmed through the nodes and the blockchain. So yeah, it's pretty interesting experience, like trying to mess with all the different coins. It's interesting that the smaller coins seem to be faster, and that the transfer fees are a lot less for the smaller coins, because that's what I think is ideal, is quick transfers and low fees. And so it's cool that smaller coins can do that, but um, I don't know. So it kind of like leads me to believe that investing in a lot of different coins is a good way to go, because as Bitcoin and Ethereum go up in value, you're going to see a lot of smaller players go up in value too, just because people end up using those coins because it's faster and cheaper. So I'm not exactly sure. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. you need to do your own financial analysis and talk to your own people. So I'm just learning this space. So yeah, take everything I say with a grain of salt. So a few things I really liked about using the wallet is that it's really quick with Bluetooth. So whenever you connect with Bluetooth, it's very fast, and loading the different like coins and seeing the prices can take some time. But when you actually connect the wallet with your phone or computer, the connection is very quick. Um, one thing that didn't work for me was the USB. My USB, I downloaded the driver, but it was for Windows 7 and I have a Windows 10, and so I'm not sure if that was incompatible. So I'm not sure why they don't have a Windows 10 driver on their website. I used my other computer, which used to be a Windows 7, and I upgraded it to a Windows 10, and I downloaded the driver on that, and that one worked. So I was thankful for that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to use the W10. So yeah, or and you also have to have USB connection to upgrade the wallet. So that is one issue that was kind of frustrating. Like it should be easier to just connect it to your computer, download the right driver, and away you go. But yeah, I it wasn't working for me. Um, but once you do connect it to USB and download and you manage to get everything to work, then it's really quite nice how you plug it in and you can just go to the website, pick what kind of connection you want, and look at your coins, and that's how you send your coins. So you can only send your coins while using their SecuX app or going through their website. And you can deposit coins though by just having the QR code. So it seems like depositing, you don't really have to be connected, but for sending, you have to be connected to some sort of Bluetooth or directly USB'd into the computer. So I was pretty excited when I got the wallet, and I was so excited that I 3D printed a cool case for it that um, I'll show you over here. It actually locks when you put it in. So it has nails in it, and when you tilt it, it'll actually lock in place. So in order to get it out, you have to use centripetal, I kind of forget what the right term is, to move the nails out. And so there's some nails in here, so you can load the nails up. And actually, you kind of have to put the wallet in beforehand, so you can put it in just like this. Boom. Put the rest of the nails in. Screw this in. And then you want it to be lined up with the holes. Like that. And then you can you gotta plug up the nails so they don't stick out, and then you can load it on. And then when you tilt it, it's locked in place. And to get it out, you spin it. So if someone's trying to get in your super secret wallet, or they steal it and they're trying to open it, it's gonna be, a little longer, a little more tricky, and it's just like a fun type of container. So that's it for my review. Let me know if you have any questions. Throw it down in the comments. And yeah, good luck with your cryptocurrency adventures. Peace, Antz out.